Welcome to another Travel Tech Tuesday. It's Kevin and Frank from Cruising with Wheels.
Ooh, wait a minute. We can't do this video.
Why?
Because you forgot you don't have your cell phone.
That's okay. Let's just get to the video. It is so funny, Frank, that you interrupted while we were starting to do our intro. Do you know why?
Why?
Because today's Travel Tech Tuesday is all about a charger.
I know, and I thought you left your cell phone out all night.
Well, I kind of did, but it's okay. It's okay. So let's show them what we got.
I didn't see it in the plug where you normally have it.
Because I don't have it on a plug anymore.
Oh.
I have the stand that I found, and I bought one for travel.
Oh God, bought one.
Do you remember? Do you remember when we were on the Jade and Darlene lost her cord?
Oh, right.
So this would have been the perfect solution for her, but we never thought of bringing a charger like this. So let's show them what I found.
Yes.
Because it's really affordable, and there are two styles that you can get.
Oh, okay.
I only bought one, so just don't worry about your little heart. I only bought one.
Only bought one. Could have bought 10.
This is a brand called Insignia. Do you know where you get Insignia?
No.
It's a private label.
Oh.
You're familiar with private labels.
Yes,
you were in retail for many years. It's a private label from Best Buy.
Oh.
Okay? And I will tell you that I did some research on some different kinds, and they had anywhere from, $25.99 all the way up to, I think there was one there for $105. They all were between 5 and 25 watts, I believe. Now, are you familiar with the watts and what that means?
No.
So the wattage is how fast your phone will charge, okay? I chose to get the cheap one for a couple of reasons. One, my husband is cheap.
Thank you.
The first reason is my husband's cheap. The second reason is it's for travel, and if we lose it or if it gets broken, I don't care about it.
We haven't lost an arm.
And the third reason I got this particular one is it is a stand.
Right.
Okay? So basically, it works for any phone that has QI wireless charging. So if your phone can charge wirelessly, this product will work with your phone.
Right. I've seen things that are just like flat, where you set your cell phone down flat on it.
That's the button style.
Okay, but this is nice. This is a little charging stand.
Now the button style is a little bit more, and that's another reason why I didn't get it. And I'll tell you that I like to have my phone on the bedside of, see how cute this is?
It's little.
It's just a little thing. I like it to have it on the bedside table. And it comes with a cord, and the cord will plug into, let me see here.
There it is.
Pull it out. So this is the brick where you charge it, and it comes with a cord. Now, why I think this Insignia is so nice compared to some of the other ones that I've seen is it's a USB cord.
Cool.
It's 4 foot long, and many of the new ships now have USB ports.
Right. By the beds, on their little desk area. Yeah, that's really, really nice.
So we can put this right into the USB outlet, and then it plugs into the back, and then you simply just set your phone on, and then guess what else you get?
What? Now what happens?
Have this,
now what does it do?
I can use my cell phone as a clock.
Oh, cool.
Right? Because there's no clocks in a stateroom.
Right.
So
I didn't think of that.
That's why I got this version instead of the
stands
button.
up like alarm
and it's
clock.
small, so it'll pack nice.
Right.
But if you're concerned about packing size, I say go for the button style.
Right.
Because at least you can just throw it down and charge it, and you don't have to worry about a myriad of cords.
Right.
So what do you think? Was it a good
yes,
purchase?
I think it was.
I think I'm going to get one of
cool.
these for upstairs in the bedroom.
Okay, cool.
Next to the bed.
Right.
So I want everybody that's watching this video to comment below. Do you think that you would take one of these on your next cruise? I think you would. But until next time, we want to remind everybody to travel safe and charge safe, right?
And don't forget to cruise often.
That's right.